Hello and welcome to Creating with Miss K. Tonight I am participating in an open collaboration titled Sage Green or Terracotta Styling. This open collaboration is hosted by The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. These colors, as you see, are on a color palette. The different shades of terracotta and the different shades of sage green. These are some beautiful, beautiful colors. Unfortunately, I didn't have any, so I wanted to get some inspiration. I didn't want to buy anything, so I just kind of went searching to see how people decorate with terracotta and how they decorate with sage green. As you see in this living room, they have a neutral couch, yet they have the terracotta pillows, and it looks like their floors. It's blending in so well with this terracotta as well. The next picture is kind of similar to the first picture. You still have a very neutral couch, and then your walls are terracotta, a beautiful, beautiful combination. And then in this room, which to me could be maybe more of a family room, these walls are beautiful. The furniture, the terracotta, it's not too orange, it's not peachy, it's not burnt orange, but it is just perfect. Now this shade of terracotta, it looks like is more of something authentic as a fireplace. I could see this color throughout my home. With having neutral colors, this is just beautiful. And this kitchen, I just want you to see pictures throughout different areas of homes where you can use this color as your main color. But even if you just wanted to use it as your accent color, here is a beautiful tablescape that terracotta is being used, but it's mixed in with other colors. But it is beautiful. I would love to use this color in the fall. I could see some pumpkins and, some greenery, different florals in this color of terracotta. But yet it can still be used in the summer. So I just think it's one of those year-round colors. Here's another table that's set up. It's very formal. It looks like it can be casual as well, but it's a very nice color that is bright, but yet it's subtle. It's beautiful. This table setting was one of my favorites. I left it for last, but I just love the napkins. I just love the entire setup. It's clean and crisp. And don't forget, for your Christmas decor, terracotta looks beautiful on your Christmas tree. You can get some of these new velvet Christmas ornaments that everyone is using and just put it together. Now, let's look at sage green in your living room, family room area. Sage green is another one of those natural colors that goes so well with neutrals. You can use it throughout your home. It's a earth tone color. That sage green on the walls, your flooring, but it matches very well with other dominant colors. So have you ever tried to use sage green or either terracotta throughout your home? Would you use it as a paint color? Look at this sage green Christmas tree. This is a color that I have always wanted to do a Christmas tree, and it's so natural. You could use it with the silver, you could use it with the gold, but it does definitely make a statement. Now, I also checked into something. I said, sage green and terracotta, I wonder what it would look like together. Look at this color combination. Isn't this beautiful? The two colors, it's just like putting black and white together. They look so classy throughout your home. You can mix the two because you know what? They're so earthy. I live down south where we have a lot of red clay roads. And you know what? That red clay mixed along with the green grass, the two colors together, they're so earthy, they're so beautiful. Let's try to put them together and see what you can come up with. This is all I have for you today, but I hope that this video inspires you to try your terracotta, try your sage green. Let's see how it comes out for you, because you know what? The next time they have this open collaboration, I'm gonna be ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.